And Mr. Barbecue, choose whatever man to choose. You understand? I heard that he was here Saturday. But now is the time that I want him.
If I want deep, we don't know what. You know, man, I want. This is the man I want, so we need road. And we don't get road. You know, go stop though. Please fix it.
People them want road. Viewers and subscribers, welcome to 876 Jamaica Topics. My name is Dave.
My name is Shan. So before you jump into this video, like, subscribe, and hit the post notification bell.
So the road condition in Jamaica is definitely a topic we need to talk about. And we have two incidents where the people them block the road because them want better road in a them community. We have one in Westmoreland and one in St. Mary. Shan, you want to tell me what going over St. Mary?
No road not up there. And the Hamilton Mountain people them said them need a road. The news article reads, residents of Hamilton Mountain in St. Mary blocked the Eden Park Bridge this morning over poor road conditions. The Star understands the blockade was mounted from early as 4 a.m. with all cars being used as a form of debris. Vehicular access to and from the community has been denied due to the blockade. Member of Parliament Bobby Montague says he is willing to speak with the residents after the road is being cleared.
When the councillor want vote, you can come find me. And you know, come for a man, you come for address me. Mr. Sheldon Kidd and Mr. Barbecue, choose whatever man to choose.
Bobby Montague. So Bobby Montague says that he will not visit until the road is cleared. This come like a joke thing. As an MP, the people in block the road to get your attention, and you keep away saying you're not going to visit until the road is cleared. This is a joke.
So the lady call him Barbie Barbecue. She have rhymes. She actually could have turned an artist. But anyways, what turned out to me is the fact she stated that this MP, Bobby Montague, I'm not spell that my name, Bobby Montague, the man win 4 times in the constituency. Like, how long was this road like this for them vote him in 4 times and them still not get no road? Like, if I was the MP, I'm gonna fix the road, because if every year me promise them road and them vote for me, if me fix the road, what me go promise them next election? Like,
it's voting for your favorite. Because them keep putting back persons in power because of them favorite person or them buy them out when an election.
Yeah, it's like they're not voting for the MP because he can do a change, but because maybe they're their friend at the time.
Them friend. But for me, what are you doing? Jamaicans need to open their eyes and look. If an MP not do nothing, you vote him out.
Yeah, and it's like when election time, them are the nicest, but you see when like this now, them have an attitude like you go say you know visit the area until them clear the road. Park up on the other side of the road with them block and make them clear the road and you visit them. You understand? So sometimes even though I think Bobby Montague is a JLP, I think sometimes if they even vote in a PNP, them just not do nothing. So is it a thing where it is a scam where them promise road but them know say maybe the funds is not there to fix the road, or like me not understand?
I think Jamaican has the fund. We have the fund. We have the funds. I see too much money wasting in different areas that are not really needed. That it's not necessary there, and there's too much area where we are left neglected. So, and it's not a case where it's PNP against JP. For me, it's whoever is doing something in the community, your MP, you put that person in position.
All I can say is if them have PNP people in a power and the road never fix, and them have JLP people in a power now and the road never fix, next time just no vote, because there's no way in a 4 election them promise your road and the road no fix. That's like what, every 5 years is an election? That's like 20 years.
It's called buying your vote. Buying your vote, just the idea. But it's not for a day, it's for like 4 years. Every 4 years we have election.
Every 4 years, yeah, we have election.
Like,
so if you calculate that, that's like 16 years.
I'm hoping this generation now, the next election,
yeah, the younger generation.
Because we get to see PNP in power, JLP in power.
Yeah.
But as again, I say, it's not about the party to that. It's about the MP in the area and what are they doing for us. And for me, it's not about road alone. It's not about road alone. We can't like cost for road alone.
Yes,
there's so many things.
Lot of promises we
It's
get,
so many things.
No, go on.
So Bobby Montague, you need to forward making people know what go on. So they have what go on in Westmoreland.
Well, Darliston people them are going with beer bag of things same way. Me see the video where the man them out with them chainsaw, and the man them say them now free up the road until them really get some answers to what go on the road. So the Star article here is saying upset residents from several communities along the Caledonia to Darliston roadway in Westmoreland mounted a massive roadblock yesterday to press the authorities to address poor road condition. Several communities were affected during the protest, including Caledonia, Frome, Darliston, Highgate, Kipping and Grotto community. So it's the same situation in different scenarios, different areas. Everybody a protest about road, and it's a thing in Jamaica. For some reason, I think the government literally don't want to fix all the road them.
And don't want to fix all the road them. The only road is like the best road in Jamaica is the one coming from Kingston to Ochi. That's the highway.
That's the highway.
That's the only highway.
And that's the one where I guess them are pretty it up for the tourists them see it.
It's not Jamaican, owned by Jamaican.
Yeah, owned by Chinese. Yeah, we need to talk about that also. Like
that's another video.
That's another video. But anyways, like the road condition in Jamaica people is really, really bad. And the problem I have with the pothole them in a Jamaica, some pothole there are some place where, may I tell you, like a new person going into a different parish, no wonder why so much accident upon the road, because like as you bend like one blind corner, you don't know the area and you just hit one pothole where you never expect. You understand? I think one time I go to Ochi and a good thing, so I drive with somebody where like know the road already, we go up there, cause like on that smooth like highway to Ochi in a center, like me literally see car park up there, them lick out them 4 tire like just this uprising in the road. So I think that is the problem with Jamaica, like them now fix one pothole till somebody really pass off right there.
Alright, so the MP them definitely need to get involved, definitely need to get the road fixed. Road is one of the major problem in Jamaica. Roads, they need to be fixed.
Yeah, and that's why even sometimes when I drive on the road and I see the youths them come together, maybe they buy one bag of cement and just fill out some pothole. Yeah, if me have it, like if me have it, me I drop something in them pan. Some people that say, yo, I hustle them, I hustle people, or extortion, but if it's a road where especially you they use like right around the clock and you know say that will benefit your car if you don't leak out some of your parts them and so give them a thing.
Yeah.
So I guess viewers and subscribers want to tell me your opinion down below in the comment section about this topic. And going forward, like we really now go left out the road business. So if you have a bad road in your community, just take your phone and walk, go down the road and video it and send it to Instagram. Check in the description. Or you can follow we at 876 Jamaica Topics if you don't see it in the description as yet. So Sean, anything before we talk
and
about?
Also, if you have a problem affect your area, whether it be road, whatever it is, you know, problem affecting Jamaica, affecting you, the citizens, you know, forward, send me, make we know what go on so we can highlight it and put it out there, because this is a voice for Jamaicans people who find the MP phone or talk to the official and make them know what by the way so we can get some answers and some help.
So yeah, me never call out the MP for the Westmoreland Darliston one. That's Daniel Lawrence. Yes, I say so. Daniel Lawrence and Barbie Montague.
Barbie Montague.
Barbie, whatever.
Barbie Montague.
You need to go talk to people. Yes, I say. And as Sean say, any problem you have, like we really have a lot of problems we need to talk about in Jamaica. Like we see so many kids missing. We see the Chinese them are moving. As we said, those are for next videos, but we just are giving you an idea what this channel is all about and where we are going. So if you have a topic where you need to talk about, drop it down below in the comment section, send it on Instagram. Guess what? Over here, so 876 Jamaica Topic, we have to pick up on that.
Over the years, we were promised road by the two parties, and now none of them can fulfill it. And we're fed up. We decided to take to the street today to block the road.